Hello everybody, this is Mrs. Raymond and I would like to show you how to use the base 10 blocks to solve and model a division problem. So we're going to start with Old MacDonald. Well, you know Old MacDonald had a farm, and on his farm he had 53 pigs. Well, that was a lot of pigs, and they were being obnoxious and starting to fight because there were just too many pigs in one area. So he decided to build 4 different pens for them. So he wanted to split those 53 pigs into 4 different pens, and he wanted to make sure he put the same number of pigs in each pen. The question is, how many pigs would be in each pen? So, in order to do this problem, I want to do 53 divided by 4. Because remember, the number that goes inside the division box is the number that's being split into equal parts. 53 split into 4 equal parts. So I'm going to start by modeling those 53 pigs. So here's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, these blocks represent my 53 pigs, and I want to split them into 4 pens. So I'm going to make 4 rows right here to show those different pig pens. So here's going to be 10 pigs going into one of those pens. Here's a second pen, and a third pen, and a fourth pen. So these 4 rows represent my 4 pig pens. Those are my 4 pig pens. Now, I have some more pigs down here. I have these 10. If I just stick those 10 pigs right here, that pen is going to have 20 pigs in it, and that's not going to work. Because remember, he wants to split those pigs evenly. So I'm going to divide up those 10 pigs into 10 ones. And now I'll move this one out of the way. Now I'm going to evenly distribute them. I'll move this one over amongst those 4 pens. So here's pen 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and here's 1, and here's another one. Uh-oh, looks like I have something extra here. This is 1 extra pig. Well, let's go back and look at the story again. So he took 53 pigs and he split them into 4 pens. So that would be 13 pigs in each pen. But I've got this extra pig here. What are we going to do with him? Well, we can't cut him up because, well, I guess we could. That would be bacon. Old MacDonald could sell him. Old MacDonald could just stick him in one of the pens, and then one of the pens would have 14 pigs, and the other pens would each have 13. But he really wants his pig pens to be even. So Old MacDonald needs to figure out what to do with that pig. Right now, there are 13 pigs in each pen. There are 4 pens, and each pig pen has 13 pigs in it. And now we have this extra pig. Perhaps he could invite him into the house, kind of like in Charlotte's Web, where Wilbur got to live in the house with the humans. I'm not sure. Old MacDonald has quite a dilemma here. So there are 13 pigs in 4 pens. 13 pigs in each of 4 pens. Well, let's try another one. Okay, what if, and I'm not going to tell a story with this one, what if I wanted to divide 122 divided into 12 equal groups? Well, I would first create my 122. Here's my 100. I'll put it over here. And here's 20. And here is 2. Now remember, I want to split this into 12 equal groups. So I'm going to bring this up here. Let's see. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. I need 12 rows. So I'm going to put my 11th row and my 12th row. So that is, this is 12 rows. How many are in each row? That's right, there are 10 in each row. And how many are left? There are 2 remaining. There are 2 remaining. So let's do that as a regular division problem. I started with 122 and I divided it by 12. Okay, so 10 12s are 120, and that's with 2 left over. Well, let's look at where that 120 is. That 120 is right here. This right here is the 120, and the extra 2 are right here.